So this is the Sony WH-1000XM4, and it is Sony's signature wireless cancelling headphones. I've been using them for a while, and while I'm not a reviewer, I highly recommend these headphones. They are just so good. When we talk about noise cancelling, we refer to ambient sounds. So if there's a consistent sound, like maybe the sound of a fan, the sound of cars while they're driving, it will eliminate that sound and allow you to listen to whatever music or podcast that you're listening to, and you'll be able to hear it clearly without the interference of the background sounds. When you're making calls, the person on the receiving end also hears better audio quality because it eliminates the background sounds while you communicate with them. So really great headphones. It has a touchpad right here on the left side that allows you to turn up the volume, turn down the volume, skip tracks, backward and forward, turn on or turn off speak to chat using 2 fingers, press and hold. That's a feature where if you are listening to something on your headphones and you start saying something, you start speaking, it will pause whatever you're listening to, and it will turn on ambient sounds, allowing you to hear whatever sounds may be coming from outside the headphones, so that you can communicate with somebody seamlessly. If you're listening to music, somebody maybe shouts at you and you want to start a conversation with them, you just start talking, and it will pause the music and allow you to communicate with them. It also has another feature where if you hover the left ear cup, as I'm doing here, it will turn on ambient sounds, turn down the volume of your music or whatever you're listening to, and allow you to communicate that way. So you don't have to take off your headphones, but you may use that option. The Sony WH-1000XM4 also has a sensor in the left ear cup right here, and this sensor is able to detect when you're wearing the headphones versus when you take them off. So if you're watching a movie, you take them off, it automatically pauses, you put them back on, it resumes. Really great headphones. Soft cushion, durable, lightweight. The battery life lasts for over 30 hours in my experience, and it charges very quickly. If your battery is dead, you can always use the included aux cable if you have a device with a 3.5mm jack, or you can just plug it in for about 5 to 10 minutes and you will get 5 hours of use from just that quick charge. Charges very quickly, lasts forever. Battery is not an issue that you would be worried about with this pair of headphones. I find these to be a better purchase when compared to the Apple AirPod Max, which is about $550. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get these headphones for the best possible price. So the price of these headphones is about $350. But once you go onto Amazon, scroll down to used and click on Amazon warehouse deals. So when persons purchase an item, maybe they don't like it, maybe they just want to return it, they change their minds, whatever, they send it back to Amazon and it goes to Amazon warehouse, and they then sell it to you at a much cheaper price. So I got this for more than $100 cheaper than it retails for, and it came in a box, brand new, if you didn't tell me that it was a warehouse deal, I would not know. It comes in perfect condition. So I highly recommend you use the Amazon warehouse deal option if you don't mind used items, and maybe the box will have a little scratch on it or something, which is really irrelevant. I highly recommend that option. I also found another feature on this headphone where when I'm connected to my computer, there are two sound options. There's the Sony WH-1000XM4 AG audio, and one just with just the regular Sony WH-1000XM4 audio. When I choose the option for AG audio, I've found that when I'm on a call, maybe a Zoom call, when I'm listening to music, when I'm watching a YouTube video, the volume of the headphones automatically adjusts to the ambient sounds or the surrounding sounds. So if I go to the bathroom and I turn on the pipe, the volume outside of the headphones will increase. The speakers here and here, the microphones, will be able to pick up that ambient sound and increase the volume of the headphones so you can hear clearly whatever you're listening to. And I found that feature to be extremely cool. I didn't even know that feature existed when I purchased the headphones, but that's just something to note. Also, with regards to the ambient noise cancelling feature, you can turn that up and down. You can cancel maximum possible ambient sounds, or you can let in maybe 50%. So that is adjustable in the Sony headphones app, and you also have the feature of automatically adjusting the ambient sounds based on your location. So you can learn your location and turn on and off the ambient sounds based on where you are. If you're seated, it would detect that you're seated, and it would turn noise cancelling on all the way. If you start walking, it will detect that you're walking or jogging, and it will turn off noise cancelling so you can hear your surrounding environment. Really, really great headphones. So while I'm not a reviewer, I had to comment on this just briefly. You won't regret your purchase.